Good morning. Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. This morning I am making a grapefruit powered up smoothie bowl. We had a crazy few days up late at night, and you know what? I need protein, I need energy today, and I need all the goodness of fruits that I can get. So this grapefruit smoothie bowl is just packed. It's got 5 different fruits in it, though the main theme is grapefruit. And I'm going to put all of the ingredients and the directions in the description below. If you're new, welcome. Be sure to subscribe so you can get notified every time we have a new recipe up for you. I am going to start with you know what? I am going to get a bigger blender cup this morning. Hold on here. I got my bigger blender cup. I'm going to start with my banana. And my banana's got a little soft spot, totally fine. My bananas are actually about ready to be used up for like banana bread. Okay, and I am going to put a little bit of frozen fruit. Use whatever you want. If you have frozen grapefruit, awesome. I'm going to use some frozen pineapple chunks, just a few. If you want to, you could totally add some ice into your smoothie bowl blender cup. I have a little bit of cold sensitivity, so I don't do mine super frozen. And I'm going to get my grapefruit here, and we are going to cut it in half. And I am going to take a spoon. You want to be careful. Check for some seeds. Sometimes the grapefruits have them, sometimes they don't. Honestly, you grind them up in the blender, they're not going to hurt you at all. I'm going to take a spoon. Actually, I might use my knife quick. I'm going to kind of gently, carefully cut half of my grapefruit, like the fleshy part of the fruit, out and put it straight into my blender. And I'm doing this over my little my Ninja Bullet cup here because it's very juicy and I want all of that juice. I'm being careful because I don't want to send this grapefruit flying across my kitchen. There we go. She's coming out. All right, and then I'm gonna grab if you want to, you could totally do that to the other half. I'm gonna just use the juice. I actually really enjoy grapefruit juice. So and it's very juicy. So I'm gonna strain this. Look at all that grapefruit juice, oh goodness. Looking forward to the energy that this is going to give me today. I am working on, gosh, what have we done lately? We did some cherry cheesecake brownies that were phenomenal. Honey lime fruit salad. If you are into fruit salads, whether it's for your family or get together this spring or summer, my recipe is phenomenal. I will link to the honey lime fruit salad. Today I'm actually going to work on a meze platter, which is kind of like a charcuterie board style. Super yummy, snacky kind of foods. We have some busy nights coming up, and so we just need easy, quick grab style meals this week, and some sandwiches, tea sandwiches. Those are so quick and easy for us to just grab and be on the go. Okay, so I am going to take a couple of strawberries. If you have fruit that's just starting to kind of go bad, like your kids, they're super picky and they're not gonna like eat it because it's not perfect, smoothies and smoothie bowls are the perfect way to use up that fruit, and your kids never know. I'm gonna stick 3 strawberries in there. Again, you can do this however you want. I'm saving my blackberries to put onto the top. I'm gonna squeeze in a little bit of honey, about a teaspoon. I'm gonna grab some Greek yogurt. I'm using honey vanilla Greek yogurt. Use whatever kind you want. And I am gonna do about 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, maybe just a little bit more. Get that protein in me. And then I'm going to grab some protein powder. I'm going to use vanilla. I could use strawberry if I had strawberry today. I'm going to do a scoop of protein powder in there. Every time I do a smoothie or smoothie bowl, I throw protein powder in because it's so good for you. And now I'm going to grab my almond milk. Feel free to use whatever milk you would like to. I'm using vanilla flavored almond milk. And you want about, oop, maybe I got a little bit much in there. About a cup, cup and a half. All right, I'm gonna put this onto my blender and mix it up. And then pour this into my bowl. Again, yours will probably be a little bit more frozen if you've added extra frozen fruit or ice cubes. And I am going to do some coconut flakes. And honestly, this makes so much. It's really enough for like 2 smoothie bowls. I feel like I'm extra hungry today. I'm gonna add in some super seeds here. I like smoothie bowls. You can have so much fun decorating with them. So this, I'm using Better Body Foods organic super seeds. It's got chia and flaxseed and hemp seeds in it. Extra fiber and protein in there. And now I'm gonna take my blackberries. So this is really like a grapefruit blackberry recipe. Let's see, those are big blackberries. Maybe we'll just do this. Make it however pretty you want to, you guys. We'll just do it like that. There we go. We have our very healthy grapefruit smoothie bowl for you. Thank you all so much. We'll see you next time.